How's it, guys? It's Linton here from Greenbox Markets. I just want to run through the EURUSD currency pair quickly, some analysis there. You guys will recall that over the last couple of weeks I've been calling a target on the EURUSD, which has actually finally been hit. So we've got this 1, 2, 3 wave completion to the top here on the weekly time frame, and that is a target that I've been giving to you guys for some time, especially when it broke this trend line here and out of this daily structure. I did mention that if you were in any short trades on the EURUSD that you should be careful as it's setting up to go to the top of the structure over here. So let's just have a look at it on the monthly time frame quickly, just so that I can show you where we've got targets on this. It really is quite a long way down. So this is the structure over here that has completed to the upside, a 3-wave structure. The possibility, let me just show you here, the possibility for a 4th wave to the bottom and then a 5th up is very, very possible. So we could see this structure extend a little bit further. But the overall direction of the EURUSD from here, I believe, will be to the downside. So we've got this initial impulse move on the left-hand side here that I'm expecting to see complete down to the right-hand side. So once a break of the structure to the bottom occurs, we should see quite a nice move somewhere in the region of that bottom over there. So that'll be a really, really nice trade. Given that this is a monthly chart, let's just have a look at how many pips we're talking. As it's going to take time to get there, hey? Remember, this is a monthly chart, so that will take quite some time to get there. That's close to 2,000 pips from the bottom of the structure. The issue now is it definitely going to go down from here? And the answer to that is we don't know. So how do we gauge what's going to happen and which direction we should trade in? So at this point in time, I don't have any trade setups. We've got to wait and see what happens. We saw this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave to the top here, and then we saw a break of this trend line over here. That was when I indicated that we should see some more upside and possibly another formation of a flag, which happened over here on the daily time frame. We had that 3-wave completion over there, and then a break up to our top target over there. So how do we know which direction it's going to move now? And the answer there is we don't yet. We don't know which direction it's going to move in. And my opinion is it's probably going to take some kind of fundamental analysis or fundamental movement in the market to decide which direction it's going to trade in. So let's go down to a smaller time frame here and see whether we can see what kind of entries we will get. So what we need to wait and see for is whether the price breaks above this top of the structure over here and then forms a flag. So let me just draw that for you. So if the price moves above the structure here, then forms a flag like so, and breaks that flag to the upside, then we know that the EURUS is going to move up from this area, and we're still looking for longs. We'll have to get targets based on this structure break. Alternatively, and what I'm kind of expecting to see at this point in time, is for consolidation to occur now, around about here at the top of the structure, and we should see a flag formation and that break to the downside. That is what I'm expecting to see. It's not guaranteed that that will happen. So should we get that kind of flag set up and a break to the downside, I'm pretty keen to be short on the EURUS, and I would be looking to trade that back down to the bottom of this weekly structure in total. So I'd be looking for a trade that would move from the top here, form a bit of a correction, and trade all the way down to the bottom of the structure again over here. Once it gets to the bottom of that structure, we'll have to do exactly the same thing as what we're doing right now and see whether the price bounces and forms a flag to go up, or whether it actually continues down, breaks out of the structure and does the exact same thing to the downside. That's the analysis on the EURUS, guys. I hope a lot of you caught those pips on the way up, because that was quite a lot of pips to gain there. Just on the way down here, if we do get the setup, we're looking at in the region of 1,000 to the bottom of that target over there on the weekly time frame. So that is a really nice trade to get should we get the setup. I'm not in that yet, and it would be a bit risky to get into it right now without the proper setup. So yeah, I really hope you guys managed to get a few nice trades in there and that you made some nice profits. And I hope that we see the move down that I'm expecting to see. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, as well as feel free to leave comments in the comment section below and ask any questions that you may have regarding our strategies or analysis or any of the services that we offer on our website. Have a great Friday. Take care. Cheers.